Hello students, welcome to this maths class. In this video, we'll be looking at addition and subtraction of fractions with same denominator. So when adding or subtracting fractions, there are basic certain rules which we must know. So the rule says we keep the denominator and you add the numerator. Remember, the numerators are the number at the top, while the denominators are the numbers down. So in this case, we have fractions with the same denominators. So example 1, we have 2 over 7 plus 3 over 7. So we add the numerators, we say 2 plus 3, then we keep the denominator, which is 7. So this becomes equals to 5 over 7. Number 2, we have 5 over 11 plus 1 over 11. So we add the numerator, we say 5 plus 1, then we keep the denominator, 11. So this becomes equal to 5 plus 1 is 6 over 11. So that's our answer. So let's dive into subtraction. So while subtracting fraction, you apply the same rule, but this time you subtract the numerators. So in this case here we have 4 minus 2 over 5. So when you subtract the numerator, you get 2 over 5. For the second example, we have 9 over 13 minus 5 over 13. So we subtract the numerator, we say 9 minus 5 over 13 equals 9 minus 5 is 4 over 13. Alright, so there you have it. So this is how we add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. So take a look at this question. I want you to give it a shot. If you want to watch more of our videos, you can click the subscribe button and please share with your friends and family. Thank you for watching.